You got him? You feel him? Okay. All right, keep finding. Hold on. Keep winding. Oh, I think he might have. Keep winding. Oh, he's trying to get away.
Oh.
Keep winding.
Big one?
Oh, keep winding. Oh, baby.
All right. Hey.
Look at the fish you caught. Good job.
What is that? Is that a bluegill?
Oh, it's
Yeah,
your
it's a
first
bluegill.
fish.
You just
Good
throw him
job.
back in. Or he can have them. It's up to
That's a
him.
big one, bud.
Oh, look how big he is.
You want to do a catch a smaller one? Yeah.
Yeah, okay, all right.
Should we bring him home to mommy? No, you think mommy would like that?
We're throwing back.
All right, here. You want to hold it like that?
All right.
Get a
wanna hold
picture.
it? All right.
Your
His
first
first fish.
Yeah.
Connor, look up
right.
here. Grandpa
Fishing.
fishing. Good job, bud.
Is Grandma here? Oh.